Good morning, student. Once again, today we can discuss about physical fitness component flexibility. We are discussing what is flexibility. There are types of flexibility like passive flexibility and active flexibility, and we can also tell you active flexibility further divided into two types: static flexibility and just tell me okay dynamic flexibility. Good one. So we are going to start new topic, speed. We all know what is speed, but we can define speed is the ability to perform. It is ability to perform movement. It is ability to perform movement at faster rate. Movement at faster rate. In other words, we can define it is ability to move body part. It is ability to move body part as fast as possible. बॉडी पार्ट्स, बॉडी लिम्ब, जब हम लोग बॉडी पार्ट्स को बहुत तेज़ी के साथ मूव कराते हैं उसको हम लोग स्पीड बोलते हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू साइंस लैंग्वेज दैट वी हैव हर्ड एंड लर्न फ्रॉम क्लास 6th or 7th, that speed, what is speed? Then we can say speed is the shortest time. It is shortest time take by an athlete or any person to cover specific distance. Specific distance is known as speed. Do you know what is the formula to know about speed? Speed equal to distance upon time. Everyone know it. If you cover a specific distance, then it divided into time, and we get the speed of a person or a thing. So we can say an athlete cover a specific distance and shortest period of time is known as speed. It is the simple definition of speed. Speed divided into 5 types. Speed divided into 5 types. First, reaction ability. This kind of speed is so that how quickly your nerve impulses react with stimuli. How your nerve impulses react with stimuli. कैसे आपके नर्वस सिस्टम रिएक्ट करता है अकॉर्डिंग टू सिचुएशन. आप कितनी जल्दी किसी भी पोजीशन के लिए हाउ क्विकली यू कैन रिएक्ट. इट इज़ नोन एज योर रिएक्शन. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ स्पीड इज नोन एज reaction ability or reaction speed. Like in cricket match, how quickly you can respond, how quickly you can react. बहुत तेज़ी के साथ बॉल आ रही है, आप कैसे उसको कैच कर रहे हैं, कैसे उससे बॉल को डक कर रहे हैं, मीन्स झुक रहे हैं. बाउंसर कोई आ रहा है, कैसे मूव कर रहा है. बैडमिंटन में कितनी तेज़ी से अगर कोई आ रहा है तो उसको कैसे आप साइड से चेंज कर रहे हैं. इम्पल्सेस, हाउ क्विकली यू कैन रिएक्ट with the stimuli is known as reaction ability. Move on to next topic, acceleration ability. It is ability to pick up maximum speed in minimal time. It is ability to pick up maximum speed in minimum time. Acceleration हम लोगों ने काफ़ी सुना है. आप सभी लोग बाइक चलाते हैं, स्कूटी चलाते हैं. एक्सेलरेशन, जितना हम तेज एक्सेलरेशन करते हैं उतना ही उसका पिक अप बढ़ जाता है, बहुत तेज़ी के साथ मूव करती है स्पीड में. तो किसी पर्सन के लिए स्पीड, अपनी मैक्सिमम स्पीड को मिनिमम टाइम में मेंटेन करना और रीच करना को हम बोलते हैं एक्सेलरेशन एबिलिटी। नेक्स्ट वी कैन मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, मूवमेंट स्पीड। इट इज द एबिलिटी टू परफॉर्म फास्ट body movement. It is ability to perform fast body movement to complete the activity. It is a complete body movement as fast as possible. Is known as movement speed. How short or shortest time you have take to complete a movement. Locomotor ability, our next topic. It is the ability of an athlete to maintain maximum speed for maximum time. It is an ability of an athlete to maintain maximum speed for maximum time. Speed endurance, it is the next topic. It is the ability of an athlete to maintain maximum speed of locomotion with high speed under the condition of fatigue. Move on to next topic, coordinative ability. Coordinative ability is the new term. Coordinative ability, it means ability to perform complex motor action. Coordinative ability earlier known as agility. Coordinative agility को पहले हम लोग जानते थे किसके नाम से? हम लोग इसको जानते थे agility के नाम से. Coordinative ability include various factor. Coordinative ability include various factor such as strength, speed, endurance, balance, coordination, stability, etc. It is the combination of all these things. So these are the 5 components of health related fitness.